Yay! I'm literally having a seizure on this thing. This thing is having a seizure with us on it. No, but I will.
Fire balloon.
Ew, bacon hair is flopping on me.
My air balloon.
Ah, my goodness. Every single time.
Going on the air balloon. No one's on the air balloon. Stop going.
Yeah, the bacon hair. There goes the bacon hair. I want to get out of here.
I saw that.
I want to spawn in this. I want to be inside the hot air balloon.
And then fall. It's your head. Yeah, I'll push you over. Yeah. Hey, get back down. Bring it stairs. No, I want to fall on you.
We're jiggling.
I'm not jiggling. Where did you go?
Uh-oh.
Oh, you're under it for me. Oh, now you're up here. It's just me and you. No.
How crazy.
He's having a seizure.
My arm is straight up.
Now this feels better without anyone on you. I don't feel like it's going crazy.
I think this guy trying to punch me and didn't fail to. What is this?
I'm up in the sky, Dylan. I'm all the way in the sky. Bye-bye, Dylan.
Ew. What is this?
What? No. Everyone, you can stop now. Ah! Oh no! Oh my God! Everyone, stop it! It's okay now. You can stop doing that. Okay now. Oh, ow! That hurt. Hi, Dylan. Yeah, it's gone now. You guys can press the button.
Hi. Oh. I'm in it.
I want to fall on you. I know what? I know what to do it. Give me up! Give me up! Fall Dylan.
Oh my goodness. Oh no!
I need to get up. Dylan, what is happening? Did you fall?
Yep.
Woo! I fell!
No, Mike, what are you doing?
Huh?
What were you doing? We were like, what the? What's going on?
What?
Everyone's like flying everywhere.
Is anyone gonna push me over?
No. Or do you mean yes? I can't stand up straight anymore. You just fell down like a stick. You actually fell down like a stick.
I wanna fall on you.
That's a bacon hair trying to fall on me.
I'm trying to fall on you. Bunny, push me. Hey, you pushed me back.
Whoa.
We all fall down. We all fall down. We all fall down. Land on me.
What am I doing?
Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Bye. 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 Oh God. I'm staying back.
You don't move, or else the thing will jiggle like crazy. What is it doing? I think it's too late. It's too late. It's already jiggling away. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. You fell first. I'm still up here.
I'm under the chain.
Oh wow, I survived.
I'm stuck.
I'm still up here.
I'm stuck under here. Bacon hair, what did you do? You made me fall.
The bacon hair is cursed.
It pushed me into the bars. I'm stuck now. Hi, Al.
How am I still hanging on?
The bunny helped me. You gotta just stay near the bunny. He's helpful. The bunny and the pumpkin.
How am I still on here? I'm still on it. It's having a seizure with me on it, and still. How high up am I? I'm so. Whoa! Yeah, I just fell. I just fell now. That was far up. Yeah, it's gone now. The bacon hair is cursed.
Come on, Dylan. Fly away from it. No!
Oh no, he's gonna move. Oh, there's more people. Oh, they're gonna ruin it even more.
No, the bunny guy helped me actually.
He pushed me over.
For your safety. Oh my god. Look at me wiggle. Look at me wiggle. Look at me wiggle. Jiggle. Look at me wiggle.
You dum-dums. Yay, now there's like literally no one on.
I'm still up here. So there is someone up here. Guys, look. I just like this, not doing anything. Watch me wiggle. Watch me wiggle.
One person moves equals all of us fall.
Watch me wiggle, and then I jiggle. Watch me jiggle, then I wiggle. Oh my god, my head. My head is having a seizure. Repeat. My head is having a seizure. I'm shaking. Don't turn all the way around. No. Okay. I'm still up here. And now I'm falling in slow motion. Oh my god! I'm okay.
The chat is going crazy.
Dylan.
The chat is absolutely going crazy.
Dylan, we should go.
This place, this thing is, the people are Spanish here.
In here. No!
Just
fall down. Push me over. Push me over,
don't
guys.
move.
Thank you. Then do this like me. Watch me wiggle. Wait, watch me jiggle when I wiggle. There you go. Ow! Ow! Ow!
No. This guy is still hanging on along with me. He fell.
Yeah, I can see that. He's like going crazy.
I'm still on it. I'm still on it. Help me. Yeah, I'm going way up in the sky. Jiggle wiggle wiggle. Yeah, I don't think anyone here is English.
Except for us.
We're the only English ones here.
Catboy Isaac.
No!
Did you fall?
No, someone fell. Someone in chat. Oh, I fell now because the balloon is gone.
There's 2 bacon hairs!
There's 2 big brains.
There's 2 big brains right now. There's 2 big brains!
That means double trouble.
that board game now? Double Trouble? The double bacon hairs.
Don't move. Don't move.
I wasn't even moving. They made me move.
This bacon hair is going crazy. This don't. The bacon hair.
Double Trouble.
The bacon hair. Ah, the bacon hair fell off.
Double Trouble.
I need to change positions. The bacon hair was like flopping all over the place and stuff.
Okay. Let me wiggle.
I don't know what's happening. I'm just I'm like up in space or something. Being tickled by a hot air balloon.
There's no double trouble! Oh my god, there's no double trouble. There's no two bacon hairs. There's only one bacon hair. Are you falling? I already fell. The balloon's still up there?
No.
Oh, why isn't it coming down? Ow! You guys are pushing me over. Stop it, bunny dude. Yes, it's back!
I'm always the last one falling off the hot air balloon.
I fell. I'm not. Come on, Dylan!
I'm running!
Oh, no, the bacon hair! Ah, me! The bacon hair.
I just saw you. Flap, 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 flap.
No, that was the bacon hair. That was the bacon hair. I just fell.
On my screen, it was you who was doing that.
When it was bacon hair, he went.
He was a plane. Oh my god, look it up there. Look how it is up there. Look how crazy the hot air balloon is up there. Hey, I saw a bacon hair fly like a plane.
How are you gonna say that in Spanish, dude? Oh, hell.
Translator.
I think. No, never mind. Don't. Yes! I'm gonna go on!
Wait, it's going?
Yes, come on! Just don't care about the translating.
It's fine.
I saw bacon hair fly.
Fly like a plane. XD. Copy. Wait.
I fell!
No! The bacon hair. There's the bacon hair. There we go. That should work.
Oh my god. Yeah, that thing stood up there, bro. I saw bacon. English. Yeah. Watch me do what I will. Let me know what I will. Whoppa. Oh.
Hi, but have this. Curious.
I big damn big.
I'm in.
The bacon hair's going! The bacon hair. No! Dylan, your knee hit my head.
Boom. How rich? How rich? This person said how rich. Oh, I was right. It is they are speaking Spanish. Oh. They are speaking Spanish. Okay. Oh.
No.
Oh, there's a bot. There's a bot here.
How do you know?
Look.
Bot?
That's a bot. There's a bot here.
Watch me jiggle when I wiggle. Watch me jiggle when I wiggle.
I'm laughing. Someone says.
Guys, bro, it's time to go. It's still up there. Yes. Smash the bacon hair. Smash the bacon hair, Dylan.
All right, we're starting to get more English people in here.
Smash the bacon hair into the ground.
All right, let's shake it out.
No, Dylan.
Shake the bacon hair off.
You're not shaking me off.
Why'd you jump?
I didn't jump.
The bacon hair fell off.
Oh, I fell off too.
I'll make this a 30-minute video. Can this person like stop spamming that?
Watch me wiggle. Watch me wiggle. What?
It's going nuts. I'm always...
Bun, bad people. Oh, no. It isn't here. No, you just fell off.
What? Or is it still go? No, it's gone.
It's here! Smash bacon hair!
I'm trying.
Bye, Dylan. Stay down for my friend!
Oh, we both fell off.
No, Dylan. We gotta survive down here.
Let's watch him go. Let's watch the thing have a seizure up there.
I'm gonna go in the mines for now.
Oh my goodness. Look at it.
It's not even that high up yet.
It's already having a seizure. It's spinning out.
Billy!
And it just disappeared.
My head better not get stuck. My head's stuck, Dylan! Dylan, my head's stuck.
And, what? Wait, no.
Oh, never mind. I'm good. No, Dylan!
Oh, you let it.
No!
I'm fine. Get this bacon hair out of here. Get this bacon hair out of here. Let's step all over him. Let's step all over him.
let's go back on the mounts. Here, look. Yes! It's back! Here's the right on it.
Don't move. All of us fall.
Oh my god. Fell off first! You fell off second. I'm guessing he... Oh my god!
Oh, it's already having a seizure.
I don't care about that thing up there. I saw this lady fling like a freaking plane. It's like the bacon hair did.
This is this person.
Yes, that's laying on the ground. Yeah. Yeah, right there. They were flying around us.
Look at it up there.
Dylan! Ow. Oh my god! Stop it! They're being so mean.
Okay, there's a lot more Spanish now. It's so far up there. Look at it. Bacon hair.
Ow. Dylan! I believe I can fly! Dylan, no!
Don't move. Don't move a muscle. Don't even move. Ah, here comes the bacon hair. We just barely left the... Oh, where'd you go?
I'm right here.
I see you under the thing.
But I'm actually on it. So.
On your screen, yeah, but on mine, you're just flying more and more under it. And the more we go up, the lower you go, and the more this thing becomes...
I fell through it!
And the more this thing begins to have a seizure.
I fell through it!
Dude, I'm going so high up already.
Dude, I fell through
How
it.
high up am I going?
I fell through it, so.
I'm not even moving. I'm not touching anything other than the camera. And that's it. The more, this thing is swinging more and more, and I know it. I am going to space.
I'm Superman!
Bye, I'm going to space. I'm literally going miles up.
Double Trouble's down here right now!
I think one person is better.
Well, it's probably not the one who...
Look how high I am! Look how far up I am! You feel jealous yet?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. Mean I'm gonna build...
Ah! Oh my goodness, I'm falling! Oh no! I'm flying off the map! Ow!
Fell off the map, like I did too.
What?
Come on.
Nip,
No,
nip, nip, nip.
no, I can't move. I'm not moving a muscle.
Do not move.
You're about to fall off.
Oh no.
Go forward. I'm staying right here. And I'm not touching a single thing. I'm telling you. Not a single little thing.
The bacon hair is ruining everything. Ah!
Bacon hair!
The bacon hair ruined it.
I'm still up here! Okay, I'm up here still.
Huh?
Oh my god, the bacon hair's off.
I saw him fall off. How are you staying on? How are you staying? There's someone else on there. Oh. I was gonna step all over you. It's not even going up as high as I did before. Yum yums. Also, what is that thing doing up there? It's like twisting and turning. Yay, brand new hot air balloon. I'm gonna spam click it until I can actually click it.
Dylan, tell them don't move. Oh. Oh my god, he's here.
Don't move at all. Whatever you do, do not move.
Look how huge Bacon Hair is! It's Bacon Hair! He's huge! See how huge he is? He's huge!
Ah! The people.
What?
People keep ruining my thing. I just saw you land next to me.
Ah! How I doing? Oh, hi. Oh my god.
It's so up there.
He's huge.
Look how much it's spinning.
Spam click it. Spam click the button.
No, you can. I'll start spam clicking it once it deletes. leave that as a draft. It's so far up there. It's so far up there. Where is it going? Really?
No.
What's gone?
And I spawned in it. The bad Bacon Hair's here!
We need less people. We need less people on this.
I'm not getting off!
And the bear is too heavy.
I called the bear.
The bear ruined it again.
Ah, the bear! That stupid bear! You're spinning around like crazy!
I'm not. I'm on the ground
Bacon
already.
Hair!
Bacon hair.
You slapped me a little. You slapped me, and then the Bacon Hair started slapping me more. And I fell. I quickly hit the ground finally. What's up there? I smell like toes. Oh!
Where are you going?
I don't know. It's wherever I go.
The bacon hair is just gonna go.
Oh my god, that's a big Bacon Hair. Big Bacon Hair. There's a big Bacon Hair in here.
Leave that as a draft.
Ah, Billy! This is a huge Bacon Hair right now. That Bacon Hair is huge. That big brain's huge. He's big. Like his big brain.
By the way, I want to tell you something.
Huh. What? It's here. Oh no, there's 4 of them. Get off! Your big fat reindeer's gonna kill us. And your 2 little dead black people behind you.
I just landed in front of this girl, and she's probably like, wait, where did you come from?
Look at her face. Look at her face. It's like...
This person with the bear. They look like all clumped together.
It's a reindeer. It's a reindeer with a big nose, dude.
It's a bear-shaped reindeer.
No, it's not.
It's a bear-shaped one.
Oh my god! My brain shot me.